Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're doing something a little more focused, a bit of a specific mission actually.
Yeah, this one's an interesting case study.
We're looking at a single online listing for a 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML350 4MATIC. It's an American spec, and it's currently located in Sana.
Right, and our goal is to really unpack the details here to understand what makes this full-option vehicle a potentially great find for someone in the market.
Okay, so let's get right into it from a buyer's perspective. The first thing I see is the year 2013 and then the mileage. Only 83,000 miles. That seems, well, it seems really low for a car that's over a decade old.
It is low, and honestly, in the used luxury market, that is probably the single biggest value driver right there.
Really? More than the engine or the features?
For a car of this age, absolutely. You're looking at a vehicle that could easily have twice that mileage, 84,000 miles. It just suggests much less wear and tear on everything. It gives a buyer a lot of confidence.
That makes sense. It sets a strong baseline. Okay, what about performance? The listing confirms it has the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system.
Which is essential. I mean, the source material even uses the regional term drive rubai, which tells you it's a key selling point there.
And what does that mean practically?
It means you're getting much better traction, better handling. It's just a safer, more capable vehicle all around.
Yeah.
It's not just a luxury badge. It's built for real-world performance.
All right, let's talk about that luxury. The listing calls it full option. Now, that term can mean a lot of things. How do we know this is the real deal?
Well, we look at the specific features mentioned, and what's interesting here is the confirmation of electric beige leather seats.
Okay.
And they're heated. That combination, the color, the electric adjustment, the heating plus the standard sunroof, it all points to a genuine high-spec model from the factory. It's very typical of an American spec package.
So we've got a solid drivetrain and a verified luxury interior. But what about the day-to-day usability? Let's talk tech. I see it mentions a screen with mouse control.
Right, and that little mouse-like controller is a dead giveaway for the higher-end tech package of that generation.
So it's not just a basic display.
Exactly, it's a differentiator, and that ties into the whole tech suite, you know?
Yeah.
You've got the rear camera, anti-slip control, cruise control, all the steering wheel buttons. It's a modern driving experience.
And some convenience things too, like the LED mirror signals and fog lights.
Yeah, it's all part of that comprehensive package.
Okay, but now for what I think is the most crucial